Iraq is evaluating a large-scale procurement of approximately 250 K2 Black Panther main battle tanks, MBTs, from South Korea's Hyundai Rotem worth $6.5 billion United States dollars. The K2 Black Panther is planned to replace Iraq's fleet of US-supplied M1 Abrams tanks and aging Russian T-72 tanks as well as the new T-90s, which are struggling for spare parts. Reportedly, an Iraqi delegation led by the Army Chief of Staff is scheduled to inspect Hyundai Rotem's production facilities later this year. The Iraqi team will assess production capacity, delivery schedules, and maintenance support before formal negotiations. The K2 Black Panther program under review by Iraq follows the Polish acquisition model, involving a technology transfer agreement and domestic production planning. The Iraqi armed forces currently operate approximately 140 M1 Abrams tanks, along with 73 T-90 tanks and approximately 170 T-72 tanks in various conditions. The Iraqi Ministry of Defense is pursuing a type of modern main battle tank for its armored forces. Standardization with the K2 Black Panther will simplify logistics, improve training cycles, and reduce reliance on US and Russian technical support. The K2 tank has undergone trials in extreme Middle Eastern conditions through South Korea's military participation in exercises with the United Arab Emirates and Qatar. In trials, the tank demonstrated full operational reliability of the tank in high temperatures exceeding 50 degrees Celsius and withstanding exposure to dust and sand. For its main armament, the K2 is equipped with a CN08 120mm L55 smoothbore cannon with an automatic loader capable of firing up to 10 rounds per minute with a range of up to 4 kilometers. The vehicle's total ammunition capacity is 40 rounds, and it integrates a digital fire control suite that includes a target tracking sensor, laser rangefinder, and computer-aided stabilization for firing on the move. The tank is powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine, which gives it a top speed of 70 km per hour on the highway and 50 km per hour off-road.